2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, security alarm, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.